Okay. Okay. Seventh one is what your sentiment analysis. Okay. Sentiment analysis. Just to focus here because and don't use a mobile net. Okay. And don't blame me. Starting I'm telling you, don't use a mobile net for this program, especially because this may take around maybe 2 GB or 1 GB also, and even 2.5 and 3 GB also. Suppose somewhere half you are stuck there, and over there and over here, your evening will be lost, your program also won't be getting executed. So make sure connecting to what? Wi-Fi, or just I'll check once, connect to proper Wi-Fi. Okay. One mail I got. No. Okay, fine. So this will be taking some time just to see here once focus here. Here text blob is one thing. Okay, I'll be telling you what is text blob. So first of all, install what text blob. Pip space. See, starting only getting stuck there. That's the reason I told you. And I'll be downloading what NLTK where you have seen. Starting you have seen. Full form NLTK full form. Natural language toolkit. In the summer on third and fourth second program, you have seen what keyword ranking. But suppose sometimes if they ask you what are the nouns, pronouns, adverbs, these things you find, how many lines are there, this you have to find. Then you will be using what NLTK. Just to see here once, don't understand all these things. So just you can see there. So I'm trying to get what total number of nouns, verbs, adjectives. That is what the program is about. Number of nouns, verbs, and adjectives. And this total things you don't need to write also. Already that will be there. Just you have to copy and paste. Okay, when they go to NLP. It is what NLP. So I told you what NLTK natural language toolkit. Now I'm telling you what NLP. NLTK both are same only. NLP. NLP full form. Natural language processing. Make a note of this one. Like some people they go with what full stack example. Some people at the cyber security. Some people gaming side. Some people what software development side. Some people testing side. Same thing. They people who want suppose having experience at least 7 years I can say 7, 8, 9. Okay. They go with what in the field of Python field. They go with what NLP. Okay. Then they're making like this things like Alexa, Siri, Cortana, Google Assistant. These things are there. I have Alexa home. You can say okay. These things they'll be making. They're using which concept? NLP. NLP full form natural language processing. Let me show you in the short there. So NLP. Okay, fine. See it. Did read once properly. NLP, natural language processing, refers to the branch of computer science and more specifically the branch of artificial intelligence. So people who say they want to become perfect with AI, 99% not 100%, they have to compulsory be master in this NLP. Then only the robot can talk or understand our things. But if you don't know NLP, then you can't make the robot do what work you want to assign to the robot. The robot may not lift or may not understand what you're telling. So NLP is the way of interaction with what robot and the human, you can say. Robot and the human. And only the only country for NLP I can refer is what? Only the one country is what? Japan. And no one can compare Japan with any country. You can't compare Japan with any country in terms of technology or whatever it is. In terms of technology, other things are back only, but in terms of technology, they are number one. So people 90% who are good in AI, they move from America to Japan. But once people go to America, Japan will not take. That is one more link there. Example, we can't go to Pakistan. Or we can't even go to what suppose other country like what Syria. Or we can't go to China or North Korea. Similarly, Japan people having link with what? Hiroshima. Bomb there na? So America, Japan, no link competition. So if you're going MS and then going to Japan, won't be. Okay. Even one more country there, Uzbekistan there, Uzbekistan. Even if you go to some country, they won't be like Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan, something there. If you go to Russia and come, they won't be alive. You'll be killed. Your password won't be valid. They'll be they'll be capturing you. They won't be sending you. If they know that you visited that website, on the passport that stamp you got, you are not allowed to go to the country, that place. This things are secondary. Okay. So people who want to become perfect with AI, they have to go with what? Natural language processing. And this will be totally around total one course will be there. How many months? 6 months. This will be only company will be teaching, not outside and repeat or no one. Depending, because total big part is there. Robots anyone can make in the home. But making a robot is a small thing or big very big hard work. Will take years of time. Can you build your own operating system Windows or can you build your own mobile phones? No. Same thing. Total, that's what company their expectations are there, that they'll be teaching around the 6 months. Then they'll be keeping as a permanent employee in the company. They won't leave you. How much package you want, you can ask 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Because it is not a small thing. It is very difficult. Like how I told people, they'll take data science and they drop out. Same thing like this also. People get mad. Will become mad. That's the reason. Okay. In the upcoming year, we'll be seeing what I told you. Serenade will be seeing. Okay. This is in the future. 2027 or 28, you may seeing this thing. Not now. So you'll be coding with the what? Voice. Some handicapped people I told now, they can't, they don't have fingers, but they want to type. So they'll be using what now? Serenade. Even also there, but that not that much level you can say. Okay, even also can use in the VS Code. Okay, you can go with VS Code, click on extensions, type there what? Serenade. Not there, code with voice, but not up to that level I'm saying. Not flexible, that much flexible. You'll be feeling, oh, hey, waste it is, I can type until I say 5 programs will be over, you'll be safe. So it's especially for handicapped people. Okay, now they want to make some improvements. Want to make some what? Improvements. This will be seen in the year, which year? 2027. Still how many years are there? Around 5 years are there. So in the future, you won't be seeing keyboard or something. You'll be coding with your voice only. And even you won't be having this screen, all these things also. Okay. Directly plasma, you can say, or paper chart. So now this I'll execute this code and I have to see properly focus here. I have to remove the comment for what? This one, 7th line. Okay. So first of all, install what there? Pip space install text blob. Nothing but water keyword extraction is same thing there. Okay. Enter. Install. Okay, done. So save the program, close it. Again, open it one more time. Now again, clear screen. Now this will be installed what in the runtime now. See now, run the code. One window will open now. See what it is saying there, not install, not install. Yes or no? So click on what? All packages. Click on what? All packages. Now when I'm doing, don't do. Okay, all will be hanging. The server will be hanging there. Will take again 2 hours, 3 hours of time. And don't connect to Wi-Fi. Like don't connect to mobile hotspot. Total data will be over. So now click on what there? Download. Will may take around what? 3 minutes. Okay, so just see once here. And if you're having Wi-Fi only, then you do, okay. Or else don't do this thing. Because this is machine learning, NLP, OpenCV requires high-end laptops. Okay, if you're having basic laptop, then don't do it. Or my system hang. The only problem is what? Even some people getting system hang also. That's the reason. So wait 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Will get installed. Refresh once. I think some people are installing this thing. No. Okay, click on this all, go to collection, click on what? All, click on download. Don't do now, do after 2 minutes, okay? It is from GitHub, okay? The server may hang. If we all 30 people do it at one time, may take hours of time. But this you can keep it as what here? Mini project you can keep. If you want to keep it as mini project, they keep it as a mini project. No need. They can add what program. I know how to execute an NLP program. Because there are 90% people there who don't know how to execute the programs also. Example I gave you, campus placement shouldn't be those skills on the bench. That category you don't have to fall. Because some company, what they ask you, all these are not required. You are able to work or not work. Suppose in a job, or example, in a 7 members team, one people can't talk, one people don't know coding, but have good communication skills and presentation skills. So he or she will be giving only what? PPT. So it's not like in a company compulsory you have to know coding only. Many people after coding they drop. They'll be saying basic things are there, I'll do. Same thing can do. It's not like compulsory coding. Don't think like after going company, I should only code. 7% will be there. In 7%, genuinely only 2 will be working. The remaining 5 in the account, salary will come, they'll take, enjoy. I can ask people who are working in TCS, you can ask them. Or any company. Ajiz still time is there. He's waiting for offer letter. Okay, done. Okay, maybe done. Okay, done. See here. Okay. Now see here, all have been what now? Installed. Now close this one. Now what you do? See here. Even automatically the program got what? Executed. Now keep the command for what line? For 7th line. Previously not installed, but now install now all the packages. So keep command for what? 7th line. Clear scheme. Run the code. So I'll be getting total number of sentences, word, all these things. But okay, sir, what you kept the file name? What is that file that you passed it? So the file I am keeping over here is what is check one say project something I kept there. So this is a file name, Pride and Prejudice by text file. You can pass your own text file, that you can pass and see. That's the reason if you check your group in the WhatsApp group, I kept this file also. One text file. Okay. So if you're having some time, execute the program, okay? But as of now, just to skip, okay? Because it may take some time. So how you have to go there, ma? Once again executing. So what you have to install first of all, pip space install. Just make a note of this one. For 7th program, what you have to do? For 7th program, pip space install. Text blob. Inside NLTK, many will be there, these things. Many. Done. Okay. So first time, don't keep comments for anything. Run the code. Will take some time. The window will open. So when the window opens, what you have to do then now? You have to go to collections, click on all, click on download. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes. That's it. You have to make sure everything is installed. Then close it. Now keep the command for the 7th line, and you even get the output there. And if you can open the file and check once also, what is inside the file? Notepad. See, this is what the content there inside the file, text file. You can pass your own text file and check what are the adverbs, nouns, pronouns, all these things. Say this one. No. 11th one already over. First of all, 9th one, this I'll show you. Then I'll go with the 8th one, or 8th one I'll show you first, okay? Line by line. Now in the 8th one, this program is not the perfect solution. It's not the perfect solution. Suppose you are typing something on the YouTube. Exactly you'll be getting same thing, or you'll be getting other links also. Whatever the word is matching, that will be getting. Same thing here. In this, what is that project? This project name, text correction. Text correction. So automatically I want to say, if something is missing, take it from from the system, understand and fill the gap. So what is the thing here now? SAL. So I want to say scale with Windows. Okay, or you can say Scala. Okay. Now what the system will understand, check once here, now run the code. What it is understanding? Scar with Windows. Even suppose if I type there something, tell me something now. Example, if I type social studies, SO, or O I missed now. A also I missed. Okay, social studies. Now what the system will understand, check once here now. But what I'm expecting there? Social studies. Okay, we'll add O also there now. Now few things will understand. Now local it can be, social it can be, many things. Now what system will understand? See once again there. Local sites. Okay, let us keep our studies there. So I'll keep there U. So clear screen, run the code. So this is a thing, focus. Means what? This is the reason why people get some, when you open Google Assistant, ask Google Assistant, this thing, that thing. Something will be open. Or will be calling someone. You're calling, saying, suppose call Aziz here. He's calling someone. Or she is calling someone. So something won't work. That is the reason. This is the reason why text blob has some drawbacks there. They are making still into improvements. So once execute this program, and you can pass your own message and they can check once it. Type spelling mistake and check once. Water also over. Time also over. Energy also over. Not found. Tomorrow also you can come, not an issue. You can sit in the lab and practice. Why I complete? Because some people having joining from tomorrow onwards. I thought of today taking half part, tomorrow taking half part. But tomorrow onwards they're having full work. One work here also. So all are busy now. You are the only people who are free. Ask, okay. You're working, you're busy or free? Yeah? All busy only. You're only in the waiting list. Aziz waiting list. Two are there. Okay. The remaining are studying, pursuing. Okay. Okay, 5 minutes. Not 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay. Digiclock there. This also we can do with what? Tkinter concept. Nothing you have to install. Just run once. And if you're having some knowledge, you can change the color. You can change the what? Coloring part. Okay. So for ninth one, no need of installing anything for Tkinter. Then for 10th one, desktop notifications. So for this one, I have to install what? Pip install PyPlayer. Pip install player. Enter. Done. Okay, clear screen. Save the code. Again, one more time, open. Pip install player. Okay, I'll show once. Okay. So what is the thing will be useful for there? What are the title there? So people who know JavaScript will be having alert. One window will pop up. Then you have to press OK there. Same thing here also. Same thing here also. Title is what here? Python. What is the message I'm passing there? Done. So see once here now. First of all, any notifications I have here? No, na? Any notifications are there here? No. So now run the code. Windows 7 you are using. So we have to open and check. Okay, that's the reason. Check here now. Executed a program. Okay, not able to see. Okay, 1 minute, clear screen. Run once again. It is used to come. Why it is not coming here? Here, check in your laptop, it will be coming. This 10th program. Here I'm using Windows 11, cracked version I'm using. Okay. 11th program you try in your laptop will work properly because here I'm using Windows 11 cracked version. That's why I'm not able to see the notification properly. Here I'm getting notification now. Okay. So here I got. Let me show once here. Clear screen. So here I'll be getting notification. Okay, run the code once. See here. Not able to open. How to see? How to see? Maybe I'll try once here. Run once. Like this notification will come. I don't know how many people are getting this thing. How many got it? And if you want to come out, press Ctrl+C. Now, if you're having Windows 7, will take some time. Here I'm using cracked version, it's not displaying there. But if you're having Windows 10, will come properly. Because class going on now, because I'm using Zoom also, that's why it's not displaying there. Will come over here actually. You can pass any message over there. Okay, fine. So this is the programs. Okay, length and already have shown you. So in this, if you're keeping in the resume, keep what? First keep fourth one. If you're keeping in the resume, keep first what? Fourth one. Then you can keep what? Third one. Then keep it what? Fifth one. 4, 3, 5. Then you can keep is what? First one. Or you can go with what? Second one. First one you can skip there. Why? Because fourth one keeping there now. This I'm keeping what? In the resume point I'm saying there. So in the resume follow this order. 4, 3, 5, 2. Make a note of this one. And don't worry, no one is going to ask you, okay? But if when they ask you what is a rake full form, you are keeping in the private rake. What is rake full form? Rake NLT ke kitna? Rapid automatic or automatic keyword extraction algorithm. These things you have to be able to say enough. No one asks you to write the code and show. In the real time also, it is like bootstrap only. You're copying, pasting, but modifications are doing it. That's the only thing. Seventh one, no. Seventh one, you can keep it as what? I have knowledge of executing of NLP programs. Like this you can keep. Okay, I have knowledge of executing NLP programs. Okay, so till here I'll stop. Apart from this, you have to focus. This will be enough. What is your focus? You have to go with what? HackerRank. Solve as many programs as you want in the HackerRank and CodeChef. And if you're not able to follow, also fine. Go with what? One website called as Free IT Dumps. Free IT Dumps. Now lagging. System also getting heating up. Okay. All get freedoms. Okay. All exam dumps. So here you can go and check there. Okay, if it is Python exam or any exam. Suppose if it is what? Python. Go with Python there. So I can type there what? Get freedoms. Get freedoms space Python. Or I can say PCP also. Check once there. Solve. Click on what download or you can start the exam. Just you can see the exams there. Don't pay any amount, okay? Yeah. Questions. Okay, read online. Okay, these are all list games. PCP. And doing suppose some HTML5 JavaScript, they can go with this one. MTM Python certificate PCEP. These are all certifications. So how many you are having thing ones? Don't go with all, okay? Okay, just suppose I'll check it. PCP questions. Be getting free earlier. Why I'm not getting to get Instead of paying also exam instead to be there, yeah, exam dumps. All keeping amount. You can check once, okay? I'll be sending you the link once. But no need to pay any amount. Okay. Okay. So I'll stop till here, okay? Any doubts you're having, then you can ask. And just to keep your resume ready and just send it to Amar sir. Especially pass out students. Or those are done with their BTech. Resume just forward to Amar once. Like who studying means what? How can you apply? How can you go? Company ask. In the middle, how you join without certifications? Certifications are there. Okay, fine. Okay, I'll stop till here. Okay. Any doubts or having anything? You can just come and sit in the lab and practice also. Okay, not an issue.